Here's first ever beer in Paraguay, country number 19, I think. Funny thing, I was having total bike issues today, so the border was super fucking hectic, so I didn't even check out of Brazil or into Paraguay, so I'm gonna have to figure that out another day, but not for today. Today I just had to get to a hotel, park the bike, and drink some cold beer, so that's where we're at. Alfonso is illegal in Paraguay.
Let's nail this royalty free motherfucker.
It is so hot, and I just went the way and screwed myself out of 2 blocks of really tight traffic, so, and it's so hot. Did I mention it's hot? It's really hot. Okay, that was super hectic, but I'm out of Paraguay. I snuck back into Brazil, and now I'm trying to legally exit Brazil. So, what a great day. So much fun. Tripping with Al. Wasn't smooth at all. I got stuck between the tires and the wall and had to move some stuff to get out, and created a backlog, but I'm officially legally out of Brazil and about to be legally into Paraguay, so it's all good. Okay, good news. I'm I'm in Paraguay. I didn't import the bike because I don't need to, because I'm flying out in a couple days. So, well, I do more paperwork than I need to on this hot day. So that's it. I'm back. I'm back, baby. Officially into Paraguay for the first time, but it's actually my second time. Okay, here's the update. I drank a lot of beers yesterday. That's how I deal with my problems sometimes. Just went to fire up the bike and the headlight barely comes on, so for sure it's the battery. Okay, to feel better about my $50 hotel room, I just ate like 20 bucks worth of breakfast. I hit the buffet 5 times. I'm on coffee number 6, juice number 7. I'm even having dessert. Okay, I had one of those moments where it's okay to get frustrated as a traveler. I was told when I checked into the hotel yesterday that I could stay another day. So today I went down to pay right at checkout time and they said, no, we're full. Now, granted, I'm having motorcycle issues. The bike can't even leave the parkade. I tried to start it this morning. It's Sunday, nothing's open, so I basically just said, fuck it. I left the bike there because I can't move it. It's down in a parkade. So we'll see. And I'm in this hotel is equally as nice, and it's 15 bucks cheaper, so whatever. It's all good. Thanks for listening. Thanks for letting me get frustrated. I'm over it. Judging from this elevator, this is going to be a classy place. I just got the boot from my other hotel because they're a bunch of dicks. They said they had room, but then they don't. So here it is. Here we go. You know what time it is. This was, I think, 30 bucks compared to I was paying 50. Oh, I might get that bidet video. Look at this, single bed, double bed, TV. AC, and here we go. You can tell the classy hotel by the elevator, and this thing is awesome. I love old shitty things. Okay, here's the recap. I gotta go remove the battery from my bike. I gotta find a place to get it fixed or buy a new one tomorrow. I'm in Paraguay without checking in. I left Brazil without checking out. And this is about to be super sweaty because my bike is stuck in the hotel that kicked me out because they don't have any room. So that's it, that's where I stand. Okay, that took about maybe 40 minutes to get the battery out. The problem is my saddlebags, the panniers are they're Al Reed proof, so they're meant to not be taken off. But got the battery out, so let's hope that's the issue. It's got to be the issue. It's just got to be. Stay positive, people. That's the issue. Well, that was a crazy storm last night. It rained so hard, and it just came in like that. And so I got my laundry done, moved it all, and luckily I moved the bike because here's where the bike was. That's a big branch. That would have maybe knocked the bike over. It wouldn't hurt it because it's a Kawasaki. Okay, it's begun, 12:35. My flight's in 7 hours. It's not that far away, but I gotta check out of Paraguay and check into Brazil, which won't take long, but I might as well get there and kill some time. So, keep you in El Lupo. Goodbye, motorcycle. See you soon. Little heads up, if you ever hear in Paraguay crosswalks do not mean walk across and cars will stop. No, this ain't Brazil where people stop. Okay, I've walked about 2.5 kilometers of the distance to the border. Got about another kilometer to go. Figure get some exercise because I'm going to be sitting in economy seats for 3 flights to Mexico. Okay, to leave Paraguay, that took about 45 seconds. So now I gotta walk. Don't get hit by a bike. Now I gotta walk across the bridge to Brazil. I hear some great stats about this bridge. This is my 4th time crossing the bridge, 2nd time legally, and 1st time on foot. Hey, what a great day. That's 3 kilometers the champ has walked today, and he's almost back in Brazil again. 55 minutes to walk 3.5 kilometers, get out of Paraguay, and get into Brazil. I'm legal, I'm all good again. Okay, I'm at the airport, and let me just take a moment to say, I hate taxis. They're the worst. Uber was like $4. I ended up paying $7 to a dude, and a taxi driver wanted $18. I was like, fuck off, taxis. Okay, beer number 7, and I just got the ultimate compliment from the guy selling me beer. He goes, see you in 10 minutes. What a great place. Hey, I love Brazil. Okay, almost ready for flight 1, and the beers are winning. If there's a guy that's had more beer on this flight than me, I'd like to meet him, unless he's the pilot. Group 3 is boarding the plane. I'm in Group 3. Total of 5 of us in Group 3. Pretty elite club.
Parte traseira. This aircraft has 8 emergency exits. 2 in the front, 4 in the middle, and 2 in the rear section of the cabin.
Okay, I'm in Sao Paulo. I slept through that first flight. It was great. 8 beers was the magic number for a 1-hour nap. Now I'm trying to get to Terminal 3, and then I'll get out of Brazil. Next stop, Brazil to Miami. Who's in the back row? Who? 10 beers in the back row. Who? Legs 1 and 2 are done. Now I just need an Aeromexico flight from Miami to Cancun.
Air
update. I'm in Miami. Pretty popular guy. The coffee shop was just yelling Alfonso. The loudspeaker is saying Alan Reed, come show us your passport. And I just flushed some toilet paper in the toilet. So having a pretty good day. And the best part, my captain is Captain Cook. Nothing can go wrong with Captain Cook. Three flights, one super long bus ride, well it was like an hour and a half, and now about a 45-minute ferry, 3 beers, and I'm in Cozumel.